Yeah, guess where we're at, buddy? Harbor Freight Tools. Every car guy's dream. So yeah, we're gonna be here getting our stuff. So, bro's got a cam truck, single cab. I don't know if y'all can see it, but his exhaust is right in front of his back wheel. This is like stuff you usually see in Corpus. And there he goes. Yo, I need this one. What a long reach. What do you mean by that? Alright, we need this. Hold up. Extension bar set? Don't mind if I do. Where's the Pittsburgh set? That's what we need.
Right.
Pittsburgh.
Bought the
Oh, there it is.
150 for 301.
301, that's the one we need.
So I'm definitely not carrying that.
So we need this. 301. This.
Oh, it's gonna. Is it massive? Because I don't.
Is it
massive?
massive?
Is it massive?
Oh, why do you think that was?
It is kind of heavy.
You're like, it has a bunch of metal in it.
Not like it's 301 pieces.
I know the problem. Ain't got no gas in it. What else do we need? We need a digital torque wrench. I think that's aisle 4. Grab that, John.
Got the long one. Give it the long way.
Give it the long,
Oh,
John.
shit. This ain't cost more than my house.
180 bucks, more than your house. Bro lives in a box. That's crazy. Oh look. You can use this to go find you a girlfriend.
No.
Sorry. Where's the boy section at then?
Oh wait, so V8
Torque
or,
stick.
Triton?
And
Here, I'll do the heavy lifting.
I feel like Triton's better than Ecoboos.
Well, boys and girls, that's the damage. It's really not that much for how much tools we're getting, but we definitely need to get a lot more tools later on. All right, we get the S15 parked up in the shop, and Sam just arrived with the tools. Let's go ahead and get these in the shop. Oh, this is bigger than I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. Of course, he's carrying the heavy. Damn, look at you carry the heavy stuff.
bro, I'm about to break my back.
Oh my.
No,
Yo,
pause.
hold up.
No
Break your
pause.
back. Hold up. All right. Here's corporate. So this is what we're replacing today on the S15. This wheel bearing in the back right here, yeah, it's shot on this car. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this on both sides since we're already here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We got Sebastian taking off the cutter for you right now. Here are the hubs. Sebastian is currently trying to get bolts out, but
Keyword on trying.
yeah, keyword on trying. All right, so we're back home. We replaced the hub, but that did not fix our issue. So. We're headed to the Texan meet. We didn't get any footage from anything yesterday or working on the car. Right now, we're currently stuck in traffic. It's pretty slow, but yeah, we're headed to the meet right now. Hopefully we're gonna see some cool cars. We got Josh with us behind us as well. So we see you at the meet. All right guys, I just finished up the Texan meet. Everybody's revving and stuff, so it kind of turned out bad, but hey, it is what it is. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of clips of the cars. So yeah, we're gonna head back to the shop now. What's going on, guys? We're headed to San Antonio, go pick up a 2JZ for the S15. Come with us. All right, we just got to the house. Bro's got some crazy cars. Futura trailer too. After a little bit, we got the motor secured.
Watch the legs. Spin it that way. There you go.
And she's up. Oh man, this is gonna be a fun build. So guys, we're at the shop right now. Just installed these Enkeys that we bought from someone local. You can't really see it, but we have some GK Tech spacers in there, some 30mm spacers. Got both sides matching. We also got some GK Tech silver lugs. So these are gonna be the drift spare. Yeah, there's a little bit of the S15. I haven't really shown much content on it, but yeah, this is S15. The Vertex Edge kit. We also have some, I believe they're Lucky Labo Ganador mirrors. And we got some 78 works, tail lights, some clear tails. We always have to have clear tails in this car. I also have a wing. I have a roof wing and a trunk spoiler for the back, so it doesn't look like a Grand Prairie. It's just a simple modified car. It's my drift car. It's an NA car, so it's kind of slow, but yeah, here's a little bit of the interior. Super mint, super clean. We have a little mochi thing right there. I already know it, I forgot what it's called, but. And then we have a bride seat. Pretty much the interior is like all stock. And just a little bit of chrome tint, of course. Some 326 Yaba King wheels. They fit perfect. They fit perfect front and rear, but we don't have the rears on, we have our drift spares. And they're a little more tucked in, unfortunately. This is a little bit about the S15. And this is our shop right here, we have everything.
Transition, be slow. There you go. Little less gas. A little more. A little more. Yep. All right. Same thing.